Hey, hey, hey! So today I'm doing a really weird dance and I'm doing a quick little transformation. I'm just starting off here with a bit of primer, then I whack on the foundation. I'm not really a makeup artist, I have no idea. I do hair mainly. But with hair, you do your makeup, you don't just walk out the front door with nice hair. Doesn't really go very well. I think that's too light for my skin, to be honest with you. But this is very quick, quite simple. I will release the products below apart from the tanner because that tanner spray tan is awful. It's terrible. Don't ever use it. Honestly, I'm gonna recommend you a really good one. I'm gonna put that in the description below. I've also realised there's tons of ways to do your eyebrows and they all kind of turn out good. Sometimes I just use eyeshadow and like a little, oh, please ignore that dance. No one saw that. You didn't see that. No one saw that. But I went in with the Rimmel London. This is not an eyeshadow brush. I didn't have one. I was like, I don't know where it is. I'm just going to use this, whatever. I think that's a highlighter brush. See, I don't know nothing about makeup, but do you know what, right? I could literally use my finger putting everything on and it turns out just as well. I think, like someone that does makeup properly will probably look at my video and sit there and have a good old laugh. Eyelashes can either go on really well or really bad. I have to glue them usually twice. But when they go on properly, you got to do a little dance. You have to do a little dance. I'll quite happily walk out the door with just eyelashes on. I think it makes the whole everything look amazing. Even your hair. Like, don't even worry about the hair, people. I love lip liner. I don't use lipstick. I use lip liner mainly. Sometimes I use lipstick if I haven't got time. But you can just really kind of arty your lips and make them big and beautiful. I just love it. There you go, a little beautiful dance. I don't know where bronzer goes. That's why I shrug my shoulders. I'm like, does it go here or does it go above? But it kind of works for me. And then I get my 10 chins out, as you can see. And if you go over them, like if you go over the line of your jaw at the bottom, it kind of like defines your face a bit more. So they say. Another quick little hack I just done. See the mascara? I go on to like the tiny little bit of lashes next to my extensions and it kind of blends it all together. I love plaiting my hair at night. And you have to plait your hair when you have extensions to keep the extensions going for longer. And it gives you such a natural wave. I love it. I love natural looks. Sometimes I have to straighten the top though because it just goes a bit crazy. So there is your very sweet and simple transformation. I'm back real soon. Well, like literally tomorrow with another video. This time about my hair because it's amazing, as you can see.